Let's talk about something that every junior developer recognizes instantly. Job requirements have gotten completely out of control. You search for a junior developer or entry-level software engineer role, open the listing, and immediately feel your stomach drop. 3 years of experience, production systems, multiple frameworks, and cloud platforms. Sometimes even experience leading projects. At some point, it stops being confusing and starts being absurd. Because who exactly is this job for? Someone fresh out of school? A bootcamp grad? A self-taught developer trying to break in? Clearly not. You'll see listings asking for 2+ years of professional experience and then, in the next sentence, say great opportunity for recent graduates. Those two things directly contradict each other. Some junior roles ask for experience with 5 or 6 different technologies: React, Node, SQL, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. As if mastering one stack isn't already a full-time effort. Others want you to have shipped production features at scale, worked with distributed systems, or handled performance optimization in high-traffic environments. Those are not beginner tasks. Those are things you learn after you've been hired. And then there's the salary. Entry-level pay, mid-level expectations. This is what makes the situation especially frustrating for juniors. You're being asked to do the impossible. Somehow gain professional experience without being given a professional opportunity. But no matter how much you add, the requirements keep moving. This creates a constant feeling of being behind, like you're chasing a finish line that keeps getting pushed further away. And here's the part people don't like to admit. Companies do this because they're afraid. Training juniors takes time. Mentorship slows things down. Mistakes happen. And under pressure, teams try to avoid that risk by asking for someone who can contribute immediately. So instead of saying, "We don't have the capacity to train right now," they write a junior job description that reads like a mid-level role. They're hoping an experienced developer applies anyway, or that a desperate junior somehow meets every requirement. Add market saturation on top of that. Hundreds of applicants per role. Recruiters overwhelmed. Automated filters. And suddenly, the bar gets raised even higher. For juniors, the emotional toll is real. You apply. You get rejected. Or worse. No response at all. Over and over. You start questioning whether you're good enough, whether you chose the wrong career, whether all the effort was a mistake. But here's what matters. Most of these job requirements are wish lists. Not rules. Not checklists. Many people who get hired don't meet half of them. What actually matters is whether you can learn, communicate, and grow once you're on the team. So apply anyway. Focus on a few solid projects you understand deeply. Be honest about what you know and what you're learning. Show curiosity and ownership. And most importantly, don't internalize broken job descriptions as a judgment of your worth. Breaking into tech is harder than it should be right now, especially for juniors. The system makes it unfair. But it doesn't mean you don't belong. The requirements are ridiculous. The struggle is real. And if you're feeling stuck, you're not alone. Keep going. That first opportunity does exist. We'll talk about that next time. Good luck.